With so many inland attractions in OCHO RIOS, it's easy to forget about its lovely coastline and miles of beautiful beaches. If you are ever in OCHO RIOS and want to spend the day relaxing in the sun with the Caribbean Sea at your feet, choose one of the following beaches and that will ensure that you get to experience the best that OCHO RIOS has to offer. These are the top 5 beaches in OCHO RIOS, Jamaica.
It's wonderful here in Jamaica. The beach is awesome, and the boat ride is it's tremendous. It's great. Come to Jamaica, you'll have fun. I can guarantee you that.
Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. Number 5. OCHO RIOS Bay Beach, otherwise called Turtle Beach. One good thing about the OCHO RIOS Bay Beach is that if you're coming to Jamaica on a cruise ship, you won't have to go far to get to this beach. It will be the closest one to you. The beach is secure, as silky soft white sand and water so calm and clear you'll see school of little fish swimming around from shore. The water stays knee-high for a while, so if you want water up to your shoulders, you will have to go out a bit. But on the brighter side, the shallow water makes it perfect if you have kids with you that aren't the best swimmers. Some people complain about the cruise ships blocking their view when they come in, but I think they're impressive and a sight to behold. If I had to find a complaint, it would be the showers and the bathroom. The last time I saw them, they needed an update.
Welcome to Jamaica and welcome to Bamboo Beach Club.
Number 4. Bamboo Beach Club. The Bamboo Beach Club is a private secure beach a few miles outside of OCHO RIOS. It's an overall beautiful beach, but the sand isn't as white and silky smooth as you'd expect from Jamaican beaches. It has a somewhat gritty feel, but still soft and feels good on your feet. The water is crystal blue, as expected in Jamaica, cool and refreshing. It's pretty calm and not too wavy at all, but you can tell there's reef blocking the ocean current. When you arrive, you're assigned a waitress who will take your orders and deliver to your lounge chair. There's also an all-inclusive package, so if you like to keep the drinks flowing while you wait for your jerk chicken, that may be a good option. There is a little craft market, but the sellers are very low-key and won't be hassling you to buy if you're not interested. There is also a live DJ playing kid-friendly reggae, and if you get there at the right time of day, there's a show that the kids will love. Number 3. James Bond Beach, and this clip does not do it any justice. James Bond Beach is about 20 minutes drive outside of OCHO RIOS in a town called Aracabessa. It is renowned as the former home of the James Bond novelist Ian Fleming. It is said that this is his secret hideaway where he wrote 14 of his famous 007 thrillers. It's a relatively small beach with a rustic vibe. You can expect to find a few locals playing football or dominoes nearby. So if you're looking to have an authentic Jamaican vibe, then this is your place. This little cove has extremely calm waters with next to no waves. There's a bar on property that makes a mean cocktail, and the food is pretty good and done to order. If you're looking for touristy comfort though, this beach is not for you. But if you want to hang out with locals and hear fishermen tales, then this is a must. Number 2. Pleasure Cove Beach, next door to Couples St. Susie. Located next door to Couples St. Susie in OCHO RIOS, well, it's actually in St. Mary because it's across the border. I guess using OCHO RIOS in the address gets more customers. Pleasure Cove is one of the least spoken about beaches on this list. It's a beautiful beach and there's no entry charge, so it's a wonder why there's hardly anyone there. I had the whole beach to myself when I went there. The restaurant and bar has free Wi-Fi, and the escovitch fish is freshly caught and well seasoned. According to the waitress, the locals mostly come out on Sundays when they have time off from work. Other than that, just a few savvy tourists pass through during the week. The water is fairly shallow and calm, so it's a great beach for kids and non-swimmers. There's also a few lounge chairs and an almond tree. It's perfect for shade. A very sweet way to end the day. Number 1. The beach at Duns River Falls. Duns River Falls is one of Jamaica's most visited landmarks. And with climbing the falls being the main attraction, it is easy to ignore the beach that sits at the bottom. In all honesty, the beach at Duns River is nice and has a great view, but the roar and beauty of the cascading waterfalls will grab your attention and have you turning your back to the beach. The beach, however, is great for snorkeling. Underwater formations are interesting and extremely colorful. Entrance to the beach is included with the falls entrance fee, so run back down and take a dip after you have conquered climbing the falls. Expect to be surrounded by tourists, especially if there is a cruise ship in town. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please do remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica, give this video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down in the comment sections below. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.